So with the perimeter questions, remember perimeter means that you are going to be adding all the sides. We've said this over and over and over again, but that's a reminder. If you need to write it up here, then put it down. Perimeter. That means that you are going to add all sides. All sides get added together when we are talking about the perimeter. So here we have a rectangle that has been drawn for us. The rectangle has measurements of x by x plus 6, right? Two of them are identical, the top and the bottom, and these two are identical, the left and the right side. And then we're told that the perimeter is equal to 24 centimeters. So last unit, all you had to do was find the expression where you were just simplifying what the perimeter would look like. This time you're actually solving for a value of x. So what we're going to be doing here is identifying our like terms, because we should just combine our like terms first. If you want to write it all out, you can. You can say, okay, well, I'm going to take the first side, which is x, and I'm going to add it with the second side, which is x plus 6, and I'm going to add it with the third side, which is x, and I'm going to add it with the fourth side, which is x plus 6, and all of that is going to be set equal to what the perimeter is, which is 24. And then from here, we do know that we must combine our like terms. So our like terms are our variables that we have in common, or numbers that don't have variables at all. So we do have several values of x. And remember, if they do not have a number written in front of them, if they don't have a number attached to them, what automatically exists there? A 1. Okay, so we have a 1x plus a 1x plus a 1x plus a 1x. And what is all that going to come out to?
1x. Oh,
no.
I thought we were doing multiplication.
No, we're not multiplying. We're adding, which is how many?
4.
4. So we have 4x for here. Then we also have a plus 6 and a plus 6. So we have a positive 6 plus 6. What's 6 plus 6 going to give us? 12. Positive 12. So we should put plus 12. And the whole thing is still set equal to 24. We now have it down to where it's a two-step equation that we can go ahead and solve. Again, as a reminder, you always get rid of the constant first. Always get rid of the constant first. In this case, our constant is a positive 12. So we're going to subtract 12 from both sides of our equation. That leaves us with 4x, because that 4x comes straight down, to equal a positive 12. Our last step would be to divide both sides by 4. The 4's would cancel out, and we would get that x is equal to a positive 3. So that means that this value over here, this is a 3, and this is a 3. What does that make the top and the bottom measurement then? What does that make the top measurement and the bottom measurement? If I know that these side measurements, I know that these side measurements are x, and I just found x was 3, so I know that these side measurements are 3. What is it? 9, because all you had to do is do 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, and that would give us 9. So this is 9, and this is 9. And then lo and behold, if you add all those numbers together, 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9, it will come out to 24. It's a nice way for you to be able to check your work. That's the wonderful thing about equations. Whenever you solve something, you can easily see if you got it right or wrong by just checking. You just substitute your answer into the original equation and then see if the two sides come out balanced. Okay? So let's try problem number 2. For problem number 2, again, I've got perimeter is 56, but they only wrote down that the top was x plus 12 and that the right side was an x. So what should I write on these? What's this bottom measurement going to be? X plus 12. What's this left measurement? What's this left side? X. It's just x. Remember, they are identical. Okay, they are parallel and across from each other. They are identical to each other. So then I can write my equation again. I've got x plus x plus 12 plus x plus the x plus 12. And that's all set equal to what? What's the perimeter in this case? 56. So we set it equal to 56. And then we just combine our like terms. So we've got x plus x plus x plus x. What are those x's going to come out to? If we do x plus x plus x plus x, what does that equal? Come on, guys. X plus x plus x plus x. 4x. Thank you, Jolie. Okay, we've got a positive 12. He's on his way. Bye, Kayron. Okay, we have a positive 12 and a positive 12. What's 12 plus 12? What's 12 plus 12? 24. Guys, you got to wake up, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to give you a quiz.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, that's going to be set equal to 56. Then we just solve. We're going to subtract 24 from both sides. At this point, it should be clockwork for you. Very easy and just mechanical. 56 minus the 24 is going to come out to 32. And then you would divide both sides by 4. Okay, and that gives you x equaling 8. Okay, now they're not always going to be a picture. Sometimes it might be a word problem. Ashley has a rectangular yard that she wants to fence in. She needs to know how much fencing she's going to need. Nope. Nope. What happened in your paper? Here, quick. The length of one side was 3x plus 9. The width is 2x minus 15. We want if the perimeter is 19, then we're going to solve for x. Okay, so again, guys, they're giving you information about a rectangle. Draw the rectangle. You should always draw it so that you see a picture of what it looks like. They said the length is 3x plus 9. So that means the bottom and the top are 3x plus 9. The width is 2x minus 15. So that means the left side and the right side are 2x minus 15. And then the perimeter is 19. That means if I add all of this together, it's going to equal 19. So I'm going to go ahead and write out my equation. I'm going to take my first side, 2x minus 15. I'm going to add it with 3x plus 9. And then I'm going to add it with 2x minus 15. And then add it with 3x plus 9. And the whole thing is set equal to 19. The whole thing would be set equal to the 19. Let me zoom in so you guys can see that a little bit easier. Okay? So now we start combining those like terms. So this is different. It's not a whole bunch of x plus x plus x plus x. This has got a 2x plus a 3x plus a 2x plus a 3x. So what is 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 3x going to give us? 10x. Good. Because 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we get 10x. Now, we've got a negative 15. This is where a lot of you always mess up. That minus 15 acts like a negative 15. Negative 15 plus 9 minus 15 plus 9. So we have all of that. Negative 15 plus the 9 is going to come out to a negative 6. Okay, and the negative 6 minus the 15 is negative 21. And then negative 21 plus a positive 9 is a negative 12. So we get minus 12, and the whole thing is set equal to 19. Then we can start solving. We'll add 12 to both sides. That gives us 10x is now equal to 31. And then we're going to divide both sides by 10. Okay, and that'll give us x is equal to 3.1. Okay, take a moment, get that written down. All right. Rachel bought a new rug for her classroom. The perimeter of the rug is 104 or 119 feet. The length of the rug is 21.5 feet. What is the width of the rug going to be? Okay, so again, draw a picture. The length of the rug is 21.5 feet. Length of the rug is 21.5. So I'm going to put 21.5 here, and I'm going to put 21.5 here. They want to know what the width is. Do we know what the width is? No. So what do we put? X. So we have X here and X here. And if I add all of this together, it's going to equal 119. So I'm going to do X plus 21.5 plus X plus 21.5, and that's equal to 119. Okay, these are all just the same thing. It's a perimeter problem. You add all the sides together and it equals the perimeter. Combine those like terms. We've got X plus X. What is X plus X? 2X. Very good. Okay, then we've got a positive 21.5 and a positive 21.5. What's 21.5 plus 21.5? Very good, 43. And the whole thing is set equal to 119. So now we start doing our inverse. We're going to subtract what first? What? We're subtracting the 43. We're going to subtract the 43 from both sides. Those 43s will get canceled out. And then we're left with 2x is now equal to, what's 119 minus the 43? 76. Okay, then we're going to divide both sides by 2. And what is 76 divided by 2? Very good. So you get 38. So that means your width is going to be 38 feet. 38 feet. Okay? All right. So today, you're going to have some IXL skills that you're going to be working through. You've got 2 IXL skills, and I'm not going to have all class period for you to work on them because you're also going to be doing your quizzes. So when a timer goes off, if you're not yet into your quizzes, then you need to make sure that you get into the quizzes because IXL is open. I know today is Friday, so this assignment for today will be due next week, okay? IXL and then quizzes. All of it will be linked. So when you finish your IXL, you go straight into your quizzes. When a timer goes off, if you're not in your quizzes at that point, then you need to stop the IXL and get into the quizzes.